In this video, learn the essential skills for securely implementing model rollback mechanisms, ensuring stability and compliance amid AI model evolution.
Imagine deploying a new AI model only to realize it's causing more harm than good. What if you could reverse these changes seamlessly? Welcome to our guide on implementing model rollback safely. Today, we'll explore why having a robust rollback plan is crucial in AI development. With models continuously evolving, ensuring stability and compliance is more important than ever. By implementing effective rollback mechanisms, you can avoid costly errors and maintain data integrity. Let's dive into best practices that will keep your AI models in check.
Why is model rollback so essential? Think of it as a safety net in the AI lifecycle. Models can fail unexpectedly despite rigorous testing, leading to incorrect predictions and decisions. Rollback mechanisms allow you to revert to a previous stable version quickly, minimizing disruptions and maintaining user trust. By understanding the importance of rollback, you can prevent potential failures and handle unexpected outcomes efficiently. As AI continues to integrate into critical systems, having a rollback plan is no longer optional but necessary.
Knowing when to initiate a rollback is crucial. Look out for significant drops in performance metrics, such as accuracy and speed. Often, user feedback can indicate issues not immediately visible through metrics. Compliance and legal challenges can also necessitate a rollback. It's important to distinguish between proactive and reactive rollbacks. Proactive rollbacks occur when you anticipate issues, while reactive ones address problems after they arise. Understanding these triggers ensures timely action, saving your organization from potential pitfalls.
Version control is the backbone of effective rollback strategies. By keeping detailed records of changes, you can easily revert to previous versions. Tools like Git and DVC, data version control, are invaluable for managing model versions. These tools help track changes, ensuring reproducibility and allowing collaboration across teams. With proper version control, you can mitigate risks and enhance the efficiency of your rollback processes. In today's fast-paced AI environment, a robust version control strategy is indispensable.
Automation is a game changer for rollback processes. By automating, you reduce human error and ensure quick responses to issues. Automated monitoring systems can detect problems early, triggering rollbacks without manual intervention. Integrating rollback into your C/CD pipelines ensures that changes are seamless and efficient. Automation not only saves time but also enhances the reliability of your systems. Embracing automation in rollback processes is crucial for any organization looking to maintain agility and resilience in their AI operations. Testing is vital to ensure rollback procedures work as intended. Rigorous testing involves simulating various rollback scenarios to verify data consistency and system reliability. It's important to account for edge cases that may not be immediately apparent. Regularly updating your tests as your models evolve ensures that your rollback processes remain effective. By prioritizing testing, you can confidently implement rollbacks, knowing that your systems will remain stable and secure.
After a rollback, continuous monitoring is essential to identify any residual issues. Analyzing post-rollback performance helps learn from past mistakes and improve future models. This ongoing evaluation ensures that your systems remain healthy and efficient. By incorporating insights from rollbacks, you can adapt and refine your models, enhancing overall performance. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining a robust AI ecosystem, ensuring that you stay ahead of potential challenges. Compliance is a critical aspect of model rollback. Understanding regulatory requirements ensures that your rollback processes align with legal standards. It's essential to document all rollback actions meticulously, which aids in compliance audits and verification. Ensuring data privacy during rollbacks is paramount to maintaining trust and integrity. By aligning your practices with industry standards, you can navigate compliance challenges effectively. Prioritizing compliance in rollbacks not only protects your organization but also enhances its reputation in the AI industry.
Real-world case studies offer valuable insights into successful rollback implementations. By learning from industry leaders, you can understand the challenges they faced and the solutions they devised. These case studies showcase best practices in action, demonstrating innovative rollback strategies. Whether adapting to unique environments or overcoming complex issues, these examples provide a blueprint for success. By studying these cases, you can enhance your own rollback strategies, ensuring that your organization is equipped to handle any challenges that arise.
As we wrap up, let's revisit the key takeaways from today's discussion. Mastering model rollback is essential for AI success, ensuring stability and compliance. Staying ready for rollbacks enhances model resilience and prevents disruptions. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are crucial in this ever-evolving field. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Comment below and join our community for more insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video.